Welcome to Dumbo, Brooklyn. Let's go.
YouTube and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. and today we're going to go check out Brooklyn Bridge Park. Check out the beautiful, stunning, breathtaking view here at Brooklyn Bridge Park. Let's go.
Here's here's a little history of the ever beautiful Brooklyn Bridge Park. But before we go to the park, we're gonna go through Dumbo in Brooklyn, New York. So let's check out Dumbo.
The name Dumbo is not after a pink elephant. You may be surprised that it's not. It's an acronym from down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass. That's exactly where this trendy neighborhood is located in Brooklyn, New York. It's a must visit.
Clark Street, along with High Street, are a couple of the subway exits you can take if you're getting on out into Brooklyn and you plan on doing the Brooklyn Bridge walk, which I highly recommend. But it's also a lovely walk, just walking around the Dumbo neighborhood back here, right off of the subway. When you come out and you take a left, there's a lot to be seen. Very charming neighborhood back here. The trendy Dumbo neighborhood features cobblestone streets, converted Brooklyn warehouse buildings, but is not a backdrop for many boutique shops, high end restaurants, trendy and nice cafes near the waterfront. The St. Anne's warehouse district, also in former Tabasco factories, right there in the heart of Brooklyn, New York, right near Brooklyn Bridge Park, which you'll see momentarily. And it's a beautiful area just to come out, just to hang out and enjoy yourself. Very relaxing feel to it. Can you imagine walking down here when festivals are going on? Very bike friendly too. You see all the bikes down here. butter pecan ice cream with extra caramel. And I said it right, caramel, not caramel. So if you're in the comment section and you say caramel instead of caramel, let me know, but it's caramel. You're wrong if you say caramel. But anyway, so we're right across the street, headed into Brooklyn Bridge Park. The ice cream was excellent. So next thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get some fresh lemonade. You see the lemonade stand right here to my left. So well, a lot of people like to jog out. I mean, this is a perfect day, perfect view, great day to be here in the city of New York. Get some fresh lemonade right here. That's a few different kinds of lemonade, tea, fruit cups. There we go, right there. Strawberry fresh lemonade. And that's all, folks.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace!